Good morning, everyone. So the weather right now is not really the best, but let us see if it improves in the next few hours. I'll probably go out for my long bike ride. Oh wow, they are getting black.
Papa, you didn't make a video today.
It's not a game.
You try it first.
Okay, I'll try.
I didn't try.
So the jacket I bought yesterday is slightly bigger. I couldn't try it because the fitting rooms were closed. So I'll go to the store and I'll return it and I'll get medium, not large. Weather today is weird. It was raining, then it was sunny, then it started raining again. Typical UK weather. I'm feeling a little sad because I couldn't go for my bike ride because it was raining in the morning. But anyways, I can still go out. The weather is good. It is sunny, so I'll get some vitamin D. If you want to check weather on your terminal or console, let me share one really cool way of doing it very quickly. Call wttr.in. It will give you this nice weather details on the terminal. Is right now 18 degrees in Slough. It will also give you the details for the next 3 days. So now you know how to check weather on terminal. So this is the bulb that I just took out from my car. This is the front indicator blinker light. Usually when you turn on the indicator, you have this, so cut. But today it was going very fast. Cut. One of your indicator light is not working and you need to replace it. To replace the light in your car, so I have a Nissan Almera. It is very simple. All you need to do, you need to open the bonnet and you need to just turn this light that you can turn anti-clockwise, pull out the whole light assembly and you can just take out the bulb. The store Helford is a store where you can go and buy parts for your car. The store is right now closed. Sundays are really boring, especially if you have to do shopping because all these stores close quite early. You cannot really drive here with faulty indicator lights, so that is really important. So let us end this vlog today and see you tomorrow. Bye.